Hello friend, how are you doing? So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to set app locks and how to apply a password. So guys, there are two possible solutions. One is through a shortcut and the other is through Face ID. If your mobile or iPhone supports it, both will work for you. So what you simply have to do is, first off, you have to start with the app short. After downloading the shortcuts, click on the plus sign. After clicking down here, you need to add the lock on the lock screen. On the top right corner, you have to hit done. That completes the task up to here. Then go to automation. Here it says click on create personal automation. Scroll down, click on the app, and then you choose any app, like I want to apply a password or log to Google Authenticator. Then you need to click on done. Next, click on next. Here it says to click on add action. It says here to click next on the lock screen. You need to turn this off. Node ask is okay, notify when run is okay. Now you simply have to click on done, and whenever you or anyone opens it, it will lock the screen like this. Now I've set my Face ID and it's done, okay? So this is how the first method is completed. If I want to put a password on Netflix, I'll tell you the second option because I haven't enabled Face ID on it, so both methods are easy. Simply click here, the Face ID will lock it and it's done. So guys, if you like this video, please do like and subscribe to the channel. It's a request from me as I'm uploading videos. If you found it helpful and have any questions, you can ask me in the comments. I will reply to you at this time, that's my promise.